Hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. And I will be showing you 3 DIYs. This first one is a centerpiece that I'm making, and I bought my items from the Dollar Tree: the vase, the tray, the block. The paint came from Walmart. It's black paint, and I'm also going to use glitter with this project too. I'm gonna put glitter on the block, all over the block, because I wanted it to kind of mimic the tray a little bit, you know, because tray gray. I mean, not gray, but silver. And y'all, when I put this piece together, I was in Dollar Tree, and I thought that all 3 vases would fit on there without me having to lift the middle one, but it did not. For this to work, I had to add the block to where all 3 could fit perfect on the tray. All I'm doing here is centering it the way I want my vase to be on the tray, which I had already had a vision. As you can see the second tray that I'm going to do next on how I wanted everything to be. And now that I have my vase in place and the glue has set, it's time to add the flowers. These boxwood plants came from Walmart, and I only paid like 47 cents for them. They was like half price. And I also went back when it was 90%, and I paid like 10 cents for a lot more. These flowers came from the Dollar Tree. Pretty flowers. They're $1. They was $1 a piece. I wish they had more flowers and stems on one like the boxwoods, but they didn't. Just one big pretty rose for $1. As you see here, I took the flower off of the stem because I didn't want to bend it, but I am going to keep the stem because I can't pull that flower off and use it in a bigger vase, because these are some big flowers and it will go pretty year round. If you wanted to keep them out, put them in your room, your bathroom, in a big pretty white, silver, or whatever color vase you want for your red and pink flowers. And I know y'all see that centerpiece that's on the table runner that I also made. That was the first centerpiece that I made, but I used pink and white flowers. This one is going to be red and white flowers. And as you can see, I put a rose on each side of the tray, and now it's time for me to add my boxwood. I had to clip it short because it did not look right with the stem on it. And I'm just going to glue the 2 together to make it thicker and fuller, to where I don't have to clip that many of them to fit on the tray. And in this clip, I'm just showing you that I bought these from Walmart, and these boxwoods do have glitter on them. They are very pretty, and you can use these year round, not just for Christmas.